In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this type of building grow animation effect with Canva. So first of all, you just need to go to the video section and create a blank video design. And after that, you need to upload your images and add it to the design. After adding it to the design, you need to go to the edit image. Then click on magic grab. Then you need to grab the object that you want to use as an animation. Make sure to select the whole thing. Then just click grab. And after that, as you can see, you can move that building like this. So to add an animation effect, you just need to click on the image, then click on animate. Then you need to go down and choose baseline. Then you need to choose on enter and also decrease the speed of the animation. And after that, you can choose which direction you want the animation to be, but we want the building grow, so this is the correct. Then you need to choose go to text, and you can add some text here, so just click on add heading. And you can just place the text anywhere and type the text that you want. You can also change the color of the text and add some effects to it. Then increase the text and click on text, then go to animate. And you can also choose any kind of animation for your text. Then you can choose the speed of the animation. Then choose the text again, right click on it, then click on show timing. Then you can change the timing of your text like this. And play the video here. And that's it. This is how you can create an animation effect of the building grow in Canva. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.